Anyone who has tried to maintain a standard garden knows the relentless cycle of labor it demands. You pour water onto the dirt, watch it absorb, and within a few days, that moisture evaporates, leaving the ground parched all over again. This happens because isolated topsoil lacks an internal support system. Without a constant external supply of synthetic fertilizers and daily watering, the organic matter rapidly degrades, the soil structure collapses, and the crops above it starve. This cross-section illustrates a structural alternative known as Hügelkultur. Above ground, it looks like a standard raised bed, but beneath the surface, it is a precisely layered biological engine designed to run continuously for over 15 years. The mechanics rely entirely on the exact order of the materials. How does burying thick wood, thin branches, yard scraps, and compost in a specific sequence create a self-feeding ecosystem? The answer lies in the controlled breakdown of matter. Instead of fighting natural decay by constantly replacing lost nutrients on the surface, this structure weaponizes decomposition, turning rot into a long-term source of soil vitality. This schematic details the base layer of the system, a deep trench packed with heavy logs and thick wood. This is the hydrological core of the mound. Heavy carbon acts as a physical sponge. The deep wood fibers physically trap water as it drains through the soil, locking moisture deep underground where the sun cannot reach it. To prevent this wet base from suffocating, twigs and small branches are layered directly over the logs. They fill the large structural gaps, providing the internal aeration necessary for decomposition to occur. Because of their sheer density, these heavy logs slowly break down over a period of 15 to 20 years, maintaining their structural matrix and holding water for the duration. This slow decay creates the perfect habitat for mycorrhizal fungi, underground networks that colonize the damp wood and extract trace minerals. By permanently holding water and slowly decaying, this base layer turns the bottom of the garden into a subterranean reservoir, highly resistant to drought. Above the woody base sits a thick middle layer of green materials, usually fresh grass clippings, freshly raked leaves, and kitchen vegetable scraps. If the bottom layer is the physical sponge, this green layer is the chemical catalyst. It is packed with concentrated nitrogen. This diagram demonstrates the chemical dependency at play. The massive carbon reserve in the base layer remains structurally stable on its own. It requires a heavy influx of nitrogen to fuel the microbial population that breaks down the wood. The fresh green layer provides that chemical push. It supplies the nitrogen necessary to jumpstart microbial breakdown in the wood below, accelerating the decomposition process for the entire mound. Without this targeted chemical reaction, the massive carbon sponge at the bottom would remain inert, holding water but failing to provide usable nutrients to the soil above. Stacked directly above the catalyst is the biological layer, composed of active compost, nutrient-dense soil, and live worms. Here, beneficial soil microbes and active earthworms eagerly feed off the aggressive chemical decomposition that is happening directly beneath them. This animated flow maps out what happens next. The living organisms operate as a biological conveyor belt. As they feed and move, they physically transport the nutrients released by the decaying wood up through the soil profile. This constant upward traffic delivers a steady stream of cycled nutrients directly into the root zones of the growing crops. The biology of the soil has effectively transformed a static pile of material into an active, autonomous delivery system, bypassing the need for manual fertilization. The entire engine is finally capped with a planting layer of topsoil and a protective organic mulch, securing a stable environment where young plants are established. This side-by-side comparison reveals the underlying logic of the design. Hügelkultur is a direct application of biomimicry. It deliberately reconstructs the exact layering, moisture retention, and nutrient cycling found on the floor of a wild forest. Rather than treating the garden as a barren surface that demands daily human intervention, it functions as a vibrant, self-feeding habitat. Engineering the structure to hold water, balancing chemistry to trigger decay, and letting biology deliver nutrients, we replace endless hours of labor with an enduring, autonomous ecosystem.